Google Forms has something called Add-ons, which helps you take advantage of the script editing that others have done. So in our kabob, we kind of glazed over the script editor because who wants to edit the script? Anyone who's created those add-ons has been editing the script. So when you click that, that actually opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, and you can see all of the add-ons that work with forms. So you can scroll through here, or you can search for a specific app. Like if you want to send a certificate, it starts suggesting some of the add-ons that are available. So you can click and see, well, what does this one do? You can click, it looks kind of like the web store. So you'll see how many stars it has, how many people have downloaded it, gives you a little overview so you can scroll through and see exactly what the add-on can do for you. You can go through the permissions to see what it has to be able to do. And you can see reviews. So who likes it and why. And to further help you out, Gadsden has approved specific add-ons. So I'm actually going to switch to the Gadsden High School account and show you the add-ons here. So we have it listed here under the script editor. That's going to get you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. But for add-ons that have already been installed, I can click the little add-on icon up here, and you'll see Certify 'em, Choice Eliminator, etc., etc. So when you click Certify 'em, what do? Help. So it says Getting Started. Welcome. Click this puzzle icon to get started, then select Certify 'em, Show Certify 'em controls. So it gives you a how to use it. If you want to learn more, you can click that. You can report an issue or view in store. So if you learn more, that's going to pop up their help center with some of those resources so it can help you use this add-on a little bit better. So those are add-ons. It's kind of an extra in Google Forms. So don't be afraid to play around or completely ignore them if you think, nope, not something I want to use in Google Forms, because really, I always preach less is more. So if you can do more with less, more power to you.